In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send your first email in Constant Contact. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through all the essential steps to get your email campaign off to a great start. First, you'll want to navigate to the Marketing Channels section located in the left-hand menu of the Constant Contact dashboard. Once you're there, click on Email to access the email marketing options. Here, look for and click the plus Create an Email button. This is the launchpad for building your email, making it a crucial step in starting your campaign. After you've initiated the creation process, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Constant Contact offers a wide variety of templates that can cater to different themes and objectives, from newsletters to promotional offers. Take your time to explore the options and pick one that best suits your needs. The right template can set the tone and aesthetics for your entire email. With your template in hand, you can now dive into customizing it using the drag and drop editor. This tool is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to easily maneuver elements around. You can adjust the structure and layout to fit your vision, which brings us to adding content. Insert your text, images, and any other relevant information to convey your message effectively. This step is foundational, as what you communicate and how you display it can significantly impact your readers. While customizing, don't hesitate to explore the editor's elements and features. This platform offers a range of options to enhance your email, whether it's adding buttons, social media links, or dividing lines to improve readability. Make sure you adjust the look of the template to align with your brand's identity, using colors and fonts that resonate with your audience. Once you feel satisfied with your email, it's essential to preview it. Previewing allows you to see exactly how your email will look to your recipients. This can be done within the editor, so take a moment to check for any discrepancies or enhance visuals before proceeding further. After previewing, it's a good idea to send a test version to yourself or someone you trust. Input your or their email address and send the test to ensure that everything appears as intended in a real email client. This step helps catch any potential issues and is a perfect opportunity for a second pair of eyes to provide feedback. Finally, once you're confident your email is polished and ready, you can either schedule it to send at a specific time or send it immediately. In the Choose When to Send section, simply select Send Now if you're ready to launch it right away, or Schedule for later to set it up at a more strategic time. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating and sending an effective email campaign with Constant Contact. Happy emailing!